Hi everyone. For 2021, I'm going to try to do a flip through at the end of each month for all of my journals I'm making. This one is my Kathies Kids and Paper Dolls. And I showed you, I was making this with, I'm going to do that differently. I'm not going to do it now. I was making it with magazine pages. And most of them I have come in and covered, put a background on. But these are Kathies Kids, as I call them. It's little paper dolls that I make. Is this a page? No. And this is a Julie Nutting stamp. This is just a drawing. This is one of my kids that I draw myself. These are the ones that I draw. And I used magazine cutouts for the clothes this time. I'm taking a class with Jennifer Chamberlain, I think it is. I'm making paper dolls, but theirs are all vintage. So I'm having a little bit of issue. I'm having a little trouble making those because I'm not really vintagey, as you know. And that's all I've gotten done on this one so far, but I have put some backgrounds in the magazine journal that I showed you. I don't know why I skipped around, but I have. So this one will be filled with nothing but paper dolls that I make. And I'm going to try the vintage ones for the class I'm taking, and wow, why is that? Doesn't like that page at all. But I am going to try some of the vintage ones. I paid for the class, I might as well try and make them. And they'll be in here probably by the end of February. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.